We always wanted to live in a particular area and we couldn't afford to buy there. So the idea of rent vesting really appealed to both of us. So that's allowed us to be able to rent a place in the area that we want to live, which is, not too far from the studio here, inner Melbourne, quite close to work. And then, we've still got those investment opportunities outside of that. So we still feel like we're making smart financial decisions.
We've currently got 3 properties with OpenCorp. We've done 3 properties in 3 years, so I think we felt super proud about being able to make that journey. So I think one of the main things that was good for us is that we're quite busy and we didn't understand the process to begin with, and we've had a lot of that taken out of our hands for us, which has been really helpful. We definitely felt trust through the entire process, a level of comfort, and I think a lot of it was there was no grey areas. Everything was explained to us really clearly, and we didn't feel like there was anything to hide.
I've got a background in endurance sports, so I've got like a running coach, I've got a business coach, but I think property is the biggest financial decision that you can make as a couple, so it kind of made sense to me to maybe go, why not see if there's a property coach out there that can kind of help guide us through that process.
When we first started investing with OpenCorp, one of the things that we spoke about in our first meeting was that we really didn't want to have to sacrifice our lifestyle. We really enjoyed being able to go out for dinner, buy presents for family, go on holidays, and it was really important that we weren't going to sacrifice our lifestyle to be able to make that happen. So that was part of the strategy that OpenCorp set for us, was being able to be really clear on our budget.
We're definitely going to be on the rent vesting path for the next 5 years or so. We've strategized with OpenCorp. I'm 34, Christie's 33. So the idea is that by age 40, hopefully we're in a position to be able to buy that inner city dream home. So that's what we're putting in place at the moment. We're acquiring a certain number of investment properties to hopefully see growth in value of those properties, which will then make a really big difference when it comes time to, borrowing for our own home.
Utilising OpenCorp for property investment has enabled us to take, a lot of the questions out of the process. They understand the process. They've been able to, answer all of our questions. We haven't had to do our own research. It was all presented to us in a really simple way, and it saved us a lot of time.
We'll definitely continue to work with OpenCorp. The process has been fantastic so far, and the results that we've achieved have far outweighed our expectations. So it's a process that we'll certainly continue with moving forward.